Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the HP Envy X2 hybrid PC. The notebook is built using a full metal chassis, which makes it extremely tough and durable. Being a hybrid Windows 8 notebook, the screen houses all the components and is completely detachable from the base, thereby converting it into a tablet. In tablet mode, the unit is very light and comfortable to use. We also have ergonomically placed power and volume buttons. The X2 is powered by an Atom Z2760 CPU, which is good enough for HD video playback. However, it does lack the raw power of Intel's Core CPUs. On the bright side, the low-powered Atom delivers amazing battery life thanks to the second battery in the keyboard dock. Other features include an 8MP rear camera, NFC support, as well as a microSD card slot. Some of the areas where we feel the HP Envy falls a bit short is the use of DDR2 RAM instead of DDR3. Also, the storage on the X2 is MMC based instead of SSD. It's also a bit heavy when you dock it with the keyboard. Finally, for Rs 62,307, it feels quite expensive for an underpowered machine. We rated the notebook a 6.5 out of 10. For the full review, check out tech2.com.